Hi traders, this is Aftab. Today is Monday, a very fresh day as well, and the markets are performing really nice. Today, in front of me right here is chart of the pound Japanese, and as you can see, we have a nice impulsive wave as well. Plus also the completion has not yet been confirmed right here, so it will be part of the video as well. Along with that, I will be finding some nice trading opportunities that you can trade today and tomorrow, obviously on Tuesday, and in these whole week days, the week that started today and will obviously end on Friday 24th June 2022. So right now I am on the pound Japanese. Remember everyone, if you are watching this video on a later date, these videos are full of education and information, so just don't watch it for the forecast but also understand the techniques that I'm going to teach you in my videos. So first of all, let's have a look at the bigger picture of the pound Japanese, because the bigger picture, the bird's eye view. And in one of my last video I have discussed a Fibonacci level. Price seems to be approaching that, almost like it approached it right here. 61.8% retracement right here at a price level of 167.265. Now the market no doubt reversed from here, but there is one slight problem, I should say, and the problem is, if we look at the trend right here on the pound Japanese on the day, on the weekly time frame, we have a mini trend. Obviously, like, the trend is like, it's almost from here going straight up till 167.265. We got a nice double top up there, but this trend, if we see specifically this one right here, it represents an ABCD pattern, so this will be a threat zone with us. And definitely for the long term trades, these threat zones can help us decide our stop losses as well. So let me zoom in the chart a little bit so that you can get a clear idea about the market. So right here, if you see, if I complete this impulsive wave, it is clearly pointing towards 175.200, around 172.654, I should say. So let's have a look at it on the daily as well. On the daily, if you see, uh, if you remember, I discussed this zone as well. Even I discussed this, I discussed this. So let me grab Fibonacci, drag it from bottom to top, and here you can see a slight drawdown from the 61.8% retracement, and then the market continued straight up, gave us a break above 61.8% retracement. Then obviously there were some fundamental activities at that time, and finally the market skyrocketed towards this resistance which was already discussed in my previous videos. For educational purposes, I will highly recommend you to watch those videos, because all of my recorded videos are not just forecasts, they are full of education and new information for all of you. So today I have also a 50 moving average as well. Stay with me. I will be discussing this as well. At the moment, this impulsive wave, anyone who is on a sell from here, the market dropped 829 pips, and you will be surprised when I show you where did this market reversed from. Let me actually show you. If we draw it from here, which was the impulsive wave, an exact bounce back from 61.8% retracement. So whenever I say wait for a confirmation, in my opinion, and everyone will tell you that this is the perfect confirmation right here. When I say wait for a confirmation, I mean to say this, right? This is a nice confirmation zone at the moment. Now, according to the strategy, this is the impulsive leg we have, and it is no doubt pointing towards 172.654. But in that case, if we see the weekly time frame, on the weekly time frame, here we have nothing to the left side, I mean the nearest zone. So for that, I am going to switch my time frame to the monthly and see. So here if you see right here, we have a nice consolidation zone in the past, almost in 2014, so around 8 years old zone right here. Buy trades at the moment, no doubt it clearly suggests me a buy trade for the long term, but I am not interested in that. Well, if you took it, that's fine. You must have made 543 pips. Now let's do the daily levels as well, because after all, if you are trading it this week, you will need some daily levels, and for that let me run an analysis. So on the daily time frame, it is clearly showing me this impulsive wave that is going to complete near 172. Let's complete this one as well. And for the support zone, just have a look at this. Always try to find out from where the impulsive leg started and from where you are considering the impulsive wave. So right now this one seems a very nice one to me, and I will definitely be considering this as a support because the impulsive leg is going to start from here. We have a little bit of consolidation zone right here as well. So 157.382 and 155.635. Now the daily resistance, and that is 168.227. So this is the daily time frame. If I show you, this is a very nice trend right here. Even if the market drops towards 159, still the trend will be up on the pound Japanese. Switch down to the 4-hour time frame and let's see what we can get and what opportunities we can find to trade today and in this week. First of all, here if we see, we have a failure zone as well, a very nice failure zone, and seems like the market is approaching it once more. So according to the Fibonacci strategy, what it suggests is, since this is also a downward impulsive wave with us, it bounced from 61.8% retracement, and if we get a close above it, then definitely it will be showing us a buy move towards 168, almost 225 pips you can get it, but I am not in favor of taking a buy at this price zone. So 168.227 can also be a very nice zone for a sell trade, and if we get this breakout, then yes, if we get a sort of, like, let me show you, if we get this breakout and the market don't go straight up towards 168.227, let's suppose it doesn't go up, and before it go up it comes down till here, retest this broken level right here and give you some reversal candles on the 4-hour time frame. At least two reversal candles will be fine. Now on the reversal signals, definitely I will make a separate video, and if you have any trouble understanding the confirmations, definitely your confusions will be no more after watching that video. But I will need some comments from your side. If you are interested, definitely I will upload the video. So if this breakout happens and it never goes straight up, that will be a lucky trade setup. If it comes down, retest this zone, a very nice buy opportunity, and then from there you can also take a sell trade. So let me neatly make this trading plan for you. A breakout, a retest of 165.86, and a nice trade opportunity. If you are planning to take a sell trade near 165.93, definitely the stop loss will be 321 pips for the weekly trade, and the take profit can almost be, if you see, this is also an impulsive wave and it is showing us a downward move towards 157.382. So several methods you can trade it, and if you trade with patience, I am sure your trading decision will be very nice. If for now I delete this level and if I complete it, you can clearly see that we have a sort of pattern that is going to complete right here. So definitely the bears must be taking interest in this impulsive wave as well. Well, if you take a sell trade right here and it go a little bit against you, then keep in mind that these are the long-term trades as well, and it can give you this much drawdown, but the profit is 813 pips while the stop is 311 pips. So personally I will be taking a sell trade right here, and my stop will be near 168.973. If the bulls are very strong, then I will consider this impulsive wave, and on the breakout, let's suppose I take a sell trade right here, it go against me like this. I take a sell trade right here and it give me a breakout, and it give me a retest and several confirmation candles. Then in that situation I will leave the market manually. I will never wait for this stop loss to hit, and this is how I manage my trades, and this is how I predict the future on any currency pair, on any chart, whether that is a crypto, whether that is an oil chart, whether it is a gold. So this is the plan for the pound Japanese, and if you played, definitely you can make some nice profits. Now let's have a look at the Australian Japanese, and here I will be talking about this impulsive wave right here. If you remember, I have discussed it in my previous videos 2 weeks ago, and the market clearly approached it, bounced back and dropped for 281 pips. Congratulations everyone for the profits that you made. So right now definitely I will be looking into the monthly time frame to give you a very nice image of the market. Here we have a break of structure as well right here, even the retest and the continuation. So another breakout point right here with us will be this one. At the moment, Australian Japanese on monthly time frame is trading in between these two zones. Right here, if you see on the daily, if we see, we have a retracement right here, a bounce back from 61.8% retracement, and if we see, this impulsive wave is going to complete near 99.518. So if you want to trade, let's have a look at the 4-hour time frame. For today, definitely a breakout from the zone right here. Let's delete this for now. So a breakout above this zone, a breakout on the 4-hour, a retest, several confirmation candles. Again, a confirmation candle can be a pin bar, but usually most of the time they are not pin bars, but there are some other candlestick patterns. I will make separate videos on that. But if you see some consolidation zone, just understand it this way. If you see some consolidation zone right here, then it can become a nice buy towards this resistance zone. So let's count the number of pips right here. If you enter, that will be 243 pips. The stop will be 251 pips. So to me, it doesn't make a nice sense to take a buy trade. I will recommend to stay with the Fibonacci and have a look at this 61.8% retracement, 94.887. Definitely, if you get a consolidation zone right here, if this breakout happens, what most of the traders will be doing is they will be taking buy trades, huge buy trades. Keep ignoring the fact that we have a Fibonacci 618 retracement right here. So to me, I think this will be a wise decision to take a sell trade near this zone. And if we count the number of pips on this one, it will be 497 pips of take profit, and the stop loss will be around 222 pips. So if you can wait for the market a little bit more, you can get a better price, but then the chances will be you can miss the trade. Let's move on to the pound New Zealand, and seems like the sell trade is almost ready right here. If you remember, I have discussed this impulsive wave, I have discussed this impulsive wave as well, and a bounce back from 78.8. So congratulations everyone, the long-term traders, the investors who made 359 pips. If I complete this impulsive wave, it is clearly pointing down towards 1.9088, and let's also have a look at this impulsive wave right here. So in that situation, this will be the pattern with us, and it will be very nice. If we get this completion, I will recommend, if you want to take a buy trade, that will be super nice. See where it is pointing down, it is pointing towards 61.8 on the daily time frame. One thing I forgot is the moving average that I was going to discuss on the pound Japanese. So let's see, just have a look at it. There are two 4-hour candles that bounced back from the level. So, and here we have a strong breakout as well. So those who want to trade with the moving averages, remember the breakouts and the reversals in both of the situation, it will work really well. But just like everyone knows, moving averages are lagging indicators, so you will need for several candles to confirm the direction of the market. On the pound New Zealand, just like I have told you, it is pointing down towards 61.8, and from here definitely I will be looking for some buy trade setups, and from here definitely it will be pointing towards that. But at the moment I have not enough data on the basis of which I talk about it. So that was the video. I hope all of you must have learned some new techniques, and you must have seen my process of identifying the trade setups for myself. If you learn something new and if you like my videos, make sure to keep a thumbs up at the video and give me your feedback in the comment section down below. I will see you next time. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.